So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link, which will be down below in the description, to download autoruns. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down. We're going to click on download autoruns and autorun SC. And now once that's been downloaded, we're now going to right click on it and then click on show in folder. And we should now be in our downloads folder with the autorun SC zip file. And now once we're on this, we're going to right click on autoruns and then click on extract all. We can untick this box and then click on extract. We should now be having the autoruns extracted folder. We're now going to double click on it. You should now be having autoruns and autoruns x64. To know which one you want to click on, you want to head over to search and type in system information. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to look at system type. So for me, I'm on x64, so I'm going to click on the x64 file. Most of you guys will also be on x64 like me. However, if your one says x86, then you want to click on the other file. So for me, since I'm on x64, I'm going to click on the x64 file. And now this will come up. And now once we're here, make sure that you're on the everything tab. And now where it says quick filter, we're going to search for the DLL file. So this is it right here. You want to search for this. So I'm just going to highlight this. In your case, you just want to type it out. So you're just going to search right here for the error. And now after you search for this DLL file, it should now be appearing for you in this list. In my case, it's not showing because I do not have this problem. But in your case, it should be appearing for you in this list right here. So once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on delete. It's going to be saying delete for you. So again, once you search for the DLL file right here, it's going to appear in this list right here. And once you find it, you want to right click on it and then click on delete. And then click on OK. You want to delete that DLL file. And then once you do all of that, for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.